It's your girl Christy M. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be playing in makeup once again because I just love the makeup scene, the makeup thing. And I am going to play around with a red lip. This is more geared to the fall. Today is going to be focused more so on that pop of color red lipstick because there's different tones and different shades of red. We're going to go geared more towards the fall reds because that's the season that's going to be coming up right now. So like always, we're going to soften our brows. I'm going to soften my eyebrows right now. They are bushy. They look a hot ass mess. I'm going to take my brush here. There's like a 2N, so this is what I use to do my eyebrows. I don't know why I have not taken that off. That is so ghetto. So I'm gonna go on with my black right here that I use to shade in my eyebrows. And again, you're just shading in through the shape of your brows. Like I've said in my other videos, everyone has their own shape. Create your own shape. Do not be making up shapes, square notes and everything that y'all be doing with them eyebrows, because that's not cute. I don't know who told y'all to do that. That is not how you do your eyebrows. We are not drawing shapes on our faces to create an eyebrow. Seriously. Okay, so once you have your eyebrows on, I'm going to take some of my concealer. I ran out of my MAC concealer, you guys, so I'm actually using a different concealer. It's by Lancome. Anyways, we're going to take this and we're going to just kind of smooth it out a little bit. I have using a little brush that I use to sculpt my eyebrows. It's perfect. I got it from Target. Again, you guys, from e.l.f., my favorite store, Target. Hey. Okay, so once you have your brows all done and did up, we're going to go in and we're going to clean up our eyebrows. And sometimes I like to leave it like under the arch of the brow because it acts as if it's a highlight, so that when you go and do add your makeup and you add, it's, you know, you have a natural highlight, and so you can add like a little shimmer there if you needed to. Yes, yeah. Just like this. So next we're gonna go in with our concealer. Again, we're going to take that Laurier or Lancome, oh my gosh, Lancome concealer. This is color 435 Suede, 435 Suede, and then the color is Praline. So I got this a little bit lighter so that I want to do contour. You know, you can kind of see that nice little highlight, a nice little glow when you contour. But I also use it under my eye as well as a second concealer. So I conceal my under eyes or any spots on my face twice because I don't want any flaw to show out of it. And you guys, I'm currently looking for a good moisturizer for my oily skin, for the people who have oily skin. So once I figure that out, I'm gonna definitely do a tutorial for oily skin and the products to use for oily skin, because it's very hard when you have oily skin and makeup to keep it maintained throughout the day. One of the things that I do have are blotting sheets. So you can use those blotting sheets throughout the day to kind of blot like your oily area. Take your beauty blender and you're just going to blend it in. You can blend it in with your beauty blender or you can blend it in with the flat brush. You'll probably do better with this first though. Okay, you guys, the color is Hazelnut. I'm just going to again go up under the eye. This is a little bit darker than the Lancome, because again, we're wanting to cover any like spots that's on our face, you guys. Take our beauty blender again, you guys, and we're gonna go back under the eyes with the beauty blender. Now I'm gonna do a little trick to make my makeup last a little bit longer. I'm gonna show you guys white powder, right? It's a setting powder, you guys, and technically you should be putting it on before you put on any concealer, but I feel as if I put this on, then my concealer didn't be all gooey and dewy. So what I do is I actually get my concealer on, and then I put this powder, this white powder, on my areas where I would have oily skin, right? Now this is not going to like save your skin from not being oily, but what it is going to do, what it has done for me, is create a matte finish, and it has lasted. So you guys can either, you know, like a clown, I recommended to put it on before you put on any of your makeup or any of the concealer. I'm just doing it this way because I feel as if it's baking in, baking it in, and it's baking it in, and it's baking it in, and it's baking it in. Brush, my small stipple brush. I'm just gonna lightly brush. Okay, so moving right along, we're gonna add in our Rhianna Fenty Beauty matte foundation. This Rhianna Fenty Beauty matte is matte, okay? So you have to get it on your face quickly as possible or it will dry up like within seconds. Again, when you're purchasing like stuff like this type of makeup or just any makeup, I would prefer for you guys to go in the store and find your shade. Unless you really truly know your shade, I would not just be picking out any colors, you guys. Affordable products, like as far as brushes and stuff, and they work just like any other one. We don't want that. We don't want it at all. And then you guys, I'm going to take it, I'm going to go up over here, my forehead. And then once you're doing that, you're going to be able to kind of clean up this middle part where you had that line from doing your brows or cleaning up your brows. You guys see that little natural highlight under the eyes? Yeah, it's going to be bomb when we get done with our makeup. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to use Kat Von D. And you know what, guys? I've been saying Kat Von B as in boy. Like, what is wrong with me? So Kat Von D, okay, as in dog. I'm going to use my contour palette. Sheer Complexion contour palette. It has 3 different shades in here. One's highlight, one is sculpting, and then one is going to be for my contour. And it tells you up here, you guys, how to contour and where to contour. So don't act like you don't know. If you don't know, go get you a palette that tells you how to do it, so you guys don't just be adding random stuff on there, because it is not legit to be making up your own contour. Again, guys, it's just, why not? More contouring, a little bit highlight, you guys. I'm going to actually use the Lancome again. I'm going to use what I already have here. And I'm going to take my beauty blender, you guys. Take my beauty blender. And I'm going to go here at the chin. This is going to create a nice little highlight. We're going to go under the eyes. Right? A little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. Just so we can put the temple of our head. And then drop this darn beauty thing again. Okay. So once you're done with that, you guys, we're gonna clean out. I've literally made this into my concealer. Like little like lid. Like I put my concealer here and then just work it in. It's ridiculous. You gotta make use of your makeup though. Don't be throwing stuff away. Make use of it. Nice glow here. Because we want it to look really, really nice. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go in and we're gonna do a little sculpting. I'm going to take this brush here. Again, this is my slanted brush. I use it to do my highlights and everything. And we're also going to use this one to do with my sculpt, you guys. So we're going to have our sculpt right there. And we're going to go on the side of our cheeks. I'm going to show you guys the proper way to do this. So you're going to turn your mouth like this. And gently glide. And if you can see, that right here is where your blush is going to go and your highlight. Contour, sculpt, highlight. Don't be getting confused. So you guys, I'm going to use the contour right here to make my nose a little smaller. So we're just going to go line. I'm going to use my Milani. I like this strobe light. It looks so fab on. Well, first of all, we're going to blend in this. Let's just blend this in. Now we're going to take that. We're going to go in and we're going to add our blush. I'm doing all this now because it takes a minute for me to do my eyes. So we're going to go in and we're going to add our blush. I have the Morphe lighter shade. It's called Spirit Blush. I love this color. It's perfect for my skin tone since I do have a darker complexion. And we're going to add a highlight there too. I love to highlight everything. Oh my gosh. We're going to use my favorite fall palette by M.A.C. It's called Burgundy Times. A good palette from M.A.C. Like if you're just really wanting some nice tones, this is it for you. I'm going to take this color here. It reminds me of like a mauve. Sorry you guys, I have this ring light and I'm like, it's on my phone, it's like so perfect. But mauve, we're gonna use some colors. We're gonna use this mauve here. Probably gonna do a little bit of here to kind of give us some color. And yeah, we're gonna do like a little bit of a cat eye too. Okay, so we're gonna take that color, you guys, and we're just gonna go over our eyes. Okay, you guys, so once you've added that color, we're gonna go in with this nice, pretty, rosy pink color. We're gonna take our next color. Yes. We're gonna go in with this pretty plum white color. Okay, now we're gonna go in with a little bit of our brown, our bronzy tone. Then we're gonna go in a little bit of gold. Why not? Use this color here to do our little highlight, the lightest tone that's on there. We're gonna take this brush here, you guys, and we're gonna go under our eyes with that same pretty pink. Go back through with our Milani, the strobe light, and we're gonna put it up under our brows. Next, we're gonna go in and we're gonna add our lip. And then we're gonna go in with our lipstick. And this color here is gonna be called Seduce. So this is my Morphe Seduce. This is the color. It's similar in color of my actual liner. YX is a foil play, and we're just gonna add a little bit and then we're done. Okay, so once you guys are done adding your lipstick and you have your lashes and everything, your makeup should look just like this. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel and this fabulous fall makeup tutorial. I hope to see you guys in my next channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click that little bell on the side so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, loves. Bye. Kiss me with your eyes.